Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'll be working on the AC heater blower motor on this Cadillac Escalade. It's making a lot of noise. It's not that it's not working. It blows air. It's just that it's too noisy. So I'm gonna remove it and see if there's something stuck, or it's just the blower itself that it's bad. Now, so the first thing you gotta do is move the passenger seat all the way to the back, so that way you get more space in here. And right in here, you got two screws. Yeah, okay. Here is one. Let me turn on the light, but I hope you can see it right here. Okay, there's one. So we're gonna grab a 9/32 socket, and we're just gonna pull it out. Remember, this is a 9/32. This cover, it has 2 bolts only, so it might seem very difficult to work on these vehicles, but actually it is not. Luckily, there's some of the things on these big trucks that are real easy to work, and well, you can save a lot of money, you know that. And we're just gonna get this bolt, and then we have this other one right here. Okay, again, it's a 9/32 bolt, and we're going to proceed and remove it. Okay. All right, so it's out. Now we can pull this thing out, and you can see how the fan motor, it's right in here. And apparently these motors, they are not screwed. Let's see, I need to find out. This is it right here. I'm just trying to find out. Some of them they have screws, but some others they don't. But okay guys, so this is the trick to remove the blower motor. You see that tap right there? There's a tap right there. You gotta bend it and then unscrew it, you know. So you have to bend that tap. You have to bend that tap and unscrew it. The only thing is that I cannot do it with my hands, and I hope you can get a clear picture of what am I doing in here. Now, I wanted to show you that you gotta bend that clip right there, but I was trying to bend that, it just broke. So once, well, it was broken now, it's too late, but now that it's like that, you can unscrew it counterclockwise and then pull it out. Since that pin, it was broken, I can move this to the sides, and I'm going to take the opportunity to disconnect the wire. So once you disconnect that wire from here by pulling the orange thing, you gotta find the angle, move it counterclockwise, and this thing, it will just pop out. And you can see right here where it has these channels, that's to screw it back in. Now I don't see anything stuck in there. that makes me believe that what is making the noise is the fan itself. So I'm just gonna test it on. Test it on, turn off the radio. I'm gonna hook it back on. Okay, I just hooked the fan back on, and you can hear the ugly noise. So it's the fan itself, the one that is making this noise. If I press the fan up, hear that? That's an ugly noise. Okay, so I know it's a fan. It's probably unbalanced for some reason, and I'm gonna try to check if it's something stuck in there. It don't seem like if there's nothing stuck. It's just probably unbalanced, and I'm just gonna order a new one and put it back on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna order it and then we'll come back. It's real easy. Okay, guys, so I got the new fan motor that I got for like $40 at the most, and gotta make sure it's the correct one. Now I want you to pay attention to this little groove. This thing comes inside the box. You gotta look inside the box, and you have to peel the sticker on the back and put it right there. And I was able to peel the sticker off and install the little gasket on that groove, and got it all the way around. You really need two hands in here. That's why I didn't record the whole thing, but I don't think you need to see this on camera. Now I want you to see this. This is the tab that it broke on my old one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to find the proper slot in here. Okay, so before doing anything else, before installing the motor, we're gonna connect or make the connections, because otherwise it's gonna be kind of hard to do it. But yeah, so we're gonna get it in, make sure it's hooked up right. Now this thing, which is the hardest part, you gotta kind of like put the motor facing, or the connection, like somewhere around there. When you feel that it snaps on, there you go, just like that. So to make it easier, if you see this slot right here, you put it right here and then turn it this way, and it's on. No, you got it on there. Okay, you move it and it seems like if it's a little bit loose, but that's the way it is. So now all we have to do is just turn it on, turn on the vehicle, and I'm gonna turn on the vehicle. Right, the AC is on. I'm gonna put the fan, and we got the fan on without the ugly noise that I had before. This fan was bad. Even by turning it by hand, you can hear a really loud noise. So all we have to do is just put the cover back on. Make sure you have it on the correct spots. and install the screws, which that's what I'm about to do. Okay. Okay, so remember that a 7mm will do the trick too, or a 9/32. That's what I have right here, and we're just gonna tie them up, and that should be it for this. Okay. This is plastic. You don't have to be super tight as long as it's in there. Yep. So we got this one on. Now we have to do the other one right here. The other one there is somewhere around there, and we're done, man. This is it. Well, guys, this is pretty simple job. It actually, if you do it right with the right tools, it probably takes about a half an hour, maybe less than that, to do the complete job. Well, this is it, guys. If you like it, just remember to subscribe to my channel, man, so that way you can help me out to do more videos. Don't forget to like it. Thank you, guys. See you in another video.